In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python on Cursor AI in just a few quick steps. If you're setting up Cursor for coding, debugging, or working with Python projects, this is one of the first things you'll want to do. The good news is that it's very simple, and once you know where to look, you can have Python installed in only a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor on your computer. Once Cursor is launched, look for the view bar on the side of the interface. This is where you can access different tools and features inside the app. From the view bar, open Extensions. This section is where you can browse and install add-ons that help Cursor work with different programming languages and tools. Now, in the extension search bar, type Python. As soon as the Python extension appears, click Install. Cursor will begin adding the extension to your setup, and this will give you better support for Python-related coding inside the editor. Depending on your system and connection speed, the installation may take a few moments. Once it's finished, Python should be available in Cursor, and you'll be ready to start working with Python code more smoothly. If you don't see it right away, refresh Cursor or check that the extension installed correctly, and that's really all there is to it. You've now installed Python in Cursor AI and set yourself up for Python development inside the editor. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.